Hello all. So I'm back with this Valentine's look for you guys, so stay tuned. So as usual, I'm starting off with my Plouise base, and I'm just buffing this, or should I say patting this onto my eyelid, making sure I have an even full coverage ready for my blends. So I'm now using the Plouise Badda Black Base, and this is just a black base to make my black shadow pop on top of it. So I'm just using the brush that came with the base, and I'm just patting this all over my lid. So I'm using the Carnival XL Pro palette. This palette is my favorite at the moment, and I'm taking the shade Lights Out, which is a black shade, and I'm just buffing this again on top of that Badda Black base, just to intensify the blackness of it. Don't worry about the brushes, guys. I'm going to name all the brushes that I used in the description box below. I'm now using the shade Persuasion. I'm just using this to blend out that black color. So I'm using the shade Pep Talk now to blend out that second blend, just to make it more bright and vibrant. So I'm now taking the Plouise base underneath my eyes, ready for my blends. I added black liner to my waterline, then I'm going to smoke it out with Lights Out, and I'm applying the same blends underneath as I did on top. So I used the Plouise base to create a liner, and now I'm using the shades Funky and Pep Talk to create an ombre liner effect. And then I'm just going to go in with some glitter to create a winged liner effect. And this is just some eBay chunky glitter, guys, that's all. So to prime my face, I'm using my Good Molecules silicone free priming moisturizer. Love this stuff, guys. So I'm taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Cocoa, and I'm just, as you know, applying this to my face. To highlight, I'm using the Juvias Place shade Sticks, and this is in the shade Guinea, and yeah, I'm using this to highlight the areas that I normally highlight: under my eye, my moustache, Cupid's bow, should I say, chin, and my forehead.
Hey, love of my life, love of my life. I think I'm lost in your eyes. I know you'll always be mine, cause I'm the reason you die. I know you'll always beside me. I feel your spirit inside me.
Just a little quick baking for you guys. Be back. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm using the Patricia Bright Face Palette. I love this palette, and I'm using this to bronze my face and blush and everything else that's in this wonderful palette. Okay, I've wiped away my excess baking powder, and now I'm just adding some highlight to the inner corner of my eye, my nose, my bridge, and my cheeks, all that good stuff, guys. I'm taking the Juvias Place shade Sticks again, and this time it's in the color Congo, and I'm using this as my lip liner before I apply my liquid lipstick. So next I'm going to apply my Colourpop Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This is like a semi-matte finish. I love this stuff. It's so light and fluffy and airy. Transformation coming very soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. All that good stuff. Thanks, guys. Bye.